Hi, welcome back to my channel. I have some more Dollar Tree DIYs for you today. I'm going to start with this wee sign that says Love, Laughter and Happy Ever After on it. I'm going to paint the whole thing with some Waverly Ink chalk paint. And then I have some craft sticks, and I was thinking they might fit this way, but they didn't, so I put them this way. And they didn't quite fit, so what I'm going to do is space them out when I glue them on. So I'm just measuring how long I need to cut them, and then I'm marking it off and I'm just cutting them with some scissors, and then I'll do the rest off camera. So I have all the pieces and some of these half beads, and I'm going to stain them all with some early American wood stain. And I'm going to use some Dollar Tree super glue wood glue, and then I'm going to hot glue these pieces to the top, and I'm just leaving a wee gap in between them. You can see there. And then I just hot glued them all on. So now I'm going to use the wood glue to glue the half beads all around the edge. And there was 8 each on the long side, and then 5 each on the shorter side, and I just spaced them out a wee bit. And I'll link these down below if you are interested in them. I'll link them in the description box. If you wanted to, you could use hot glue for this part, but I like to use the wood glue. And then after I had glued them on, I had stained 4 of the next size up to make 4 wee feet, and then I glue them on the bottom. So these are all quite easy DIYs today, apart from a wee bit of staining, but you can always just paint the stuff if you didn't want to wait on the stain drying. And then I have this lotus flower candle holder from Dollar Tree, and I was going to hot glue it on, but then I decided not to because I bought 2 other ones, and this is how it turned out, and I think it turned out so cute. I have an 8x10 canvas from Dollar Tree, and I'm just taking a box cutter and cutting off the canvas, but I'm cutting it like this because I want to use the canvas again. You need to cut through the canvas, but you don't want to cut into the wood, although I'm going to cover it up anyway, so it wouldn't really have mattered. And then I took the canvas off the back, and I took out some of the what they call them, staples, just the ones that were sticking up. I took out. I just took some needle nose pliers, and then I took off the extra bits of canvas. I had to hammer that one down. And then I'm going to use some Dollar Tree super glue wood glue, and I already laid out these half beads with a space in between them all, and I'm just going to glue them all down, but I'll do the rest off camera. And then I stain it with some of this golden oak gel stain I actually got for Dollar Tree for $1 a while ago. And then I'm just taking some hot glue and putting it around the canvas. I'm making sure I use like the white side, and then I'm just sticking the frame down on top, and then just scraping away the hot glue that oozed out. Then I have one of these wall stickers left, so I'm just going to stick that down in the middle, and then I'm just going to hot glue the bits that are curling up down. And then I just make a wee hanger for the back, with some twine, hot glue and a craft stick. I'll just glue down a little bit of the canvas, and this is how it turned out, and I really love how it turned out. I had rough wood on my canvas. I always see everybody with smooth wood when they take the canvas off, but it actually turned out nice with the rough wood. And I have this wee sign, and I'm just going to take off the back and take off this little thing. And if I didn't have that wee thing glued down, then I would have used that, as I like the pattern on the sides and the colour. I would have used it to make a DIY, obviously. So I have this scrap bit of the wallpaper from Dollar Tree, and I'm just cutting it out, and then I'm going to stick it down. And then just gave it a wipe inside. And then I just put some hot glue on it in the corners, and then I put the back in, and that's it. And I think this one turned out really cute as well. And it was so easy. Have to do some easy DIYs sometimes. And then I have one of these nesting boxes, and it's the bigger one. And one of the screws came out, the other one did not want to come out. I thought it was because I had lotion on my hands, but it still didn't want to come out, so I just left it. But you won't even see it because I'm going to glue on some beads on the bottom with the wood glue again. And then I have this macrame cord from Dollar Tree, so I'm just going to glue the end and snip off the frayed bit. And then I'm just going to hot glue it all around the edge of this box. You could double it up and go around twice if you wanted to. I just decided just to do once. So I just keep gluing that all the way around, and then when I get to the end I just cut it and then hot glue it in place and try and make the two ends meet so that you can't really notice it. It didn't work out as well as it does with a nautical rope. And then I have these wall stickers from Dollar Tree, and I have two of them left, so I thought I would just stick one in here. This is how it turned out, and I just put in a wee candle and some crystals inside, or you could put succulents or a wee trinket, whatever you like. And I have another canvas from Dollar Tree, the 8x10 canvas, and I'm just doing the same thing as I did the last time, and it's the same clip from last time, because the second time I did this, it didn't work out so well, and I had to just end up ripping the canvas off, as I used my X-Acto knife and it didn't work out, so definitely use the box cutter. So just peeling off all the canvas, and then I just take out the staples that got pulled up with the needle nose pliers and take off the excess canvas. You could take all the staples out if you want to, but I can't be bothered doing that. And then I have a little mini palette from Dollar Tree and 4 of the wooden half beads, and I stain them with the early American wood stain. And then I have this 11x14 flat canvas from Dollar Tree and some more of the peel and stick wallpaper, and I'm just going to stick it down. And I stuck it to the back side because I thought it would stick better to that than to the canvas side. And then I'm just trimming off the excess. I'm trimming off the rest of the excess. Just make sure you stick it down better than I did. And then I'm just going to hot glue this canvas in the middle. This canvas, the frame for the canvas in the middle. And then I hot glue the little palette in the middle of that. And then I hot glue those wee half beads, one in each corner, just to make it look more finished. And then I had this home sign. I took off another DIY, and it was painted in the plaster colour. I'll show you the plaster colour in the next clip. It was this one. And then this is how it turned out, and I just love this wallpaper, and I really love it with the early American wood stain. But you guys let me know which one of these DIYs is your favourite. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!